argparse not handling abbreviations in subparser properly. Run on Python 3.6.0. TL drive. Why is the subparser abbreviation invalid even with allow underscore abbreviated equals true? Long var. Basically, having an issue getting argparse to accept abbreviated subparsers names / aliases. Here's the code. So from the code above, it should be expected that any of the following should be accepted. So here's the problem. This works $python prog.pyc123o. This gives an error $python prog.pycas123x. Now here's the confusing part. According to the argparse doc, argument parser supports the creation of such subcommands with the add_subparsers method. The add_subparsers method is normally called with no arguments and returns a special action object. This object has a single method, add_parser, which takes a command name and any argument parser constructor arguments, and returns an argument parser object that can be modified as usual. Okay, so any object created with add_subparser can create its own argument parser object with object.add_parser, right? Which means this newly created argument parser object should be able to accept any argument parser arguments. Yeah. Argument parser definition. Create a new argument parser object. All parameters should be passed as keyword arguments. Each parameter has its own more detailed description below, but in short they are allow_abbreviated, allows long options to be abbreviated if the abbreviation is unambiguous. Default true changed in version 3.5, allow_abbreviated parameter was added. This was on Python 3.6.0. Thanks in advance, guys.
A patch to allow abbreviations of the subparser names was implemented, but then withdrawn when it proved to be buggy. Issue 12713, allow abbreviation of subcommands by users. Allowing users to turn off abbreviations for long options is a different issue, handled in Issue 14910, argparse, disable abbreviation. Two different parts of the code. Allow_abbreviated, allows long options to be abbreviated if the abbreviation is unambiguous. A long option is created with the default allow_abbreviated value. This would work with f, foo, and foobar. The long_ option in this case is foobar. With it false, foo would not work. It's the main parser that decides whether C or Caesar or CAE are valid subparser commands, via sub, the special action object created by parser.add_subparsers. This behaves more like a positional with choices.
The error I'm getting is this.
hinting that abbreviations are supposed to be composable in the sense that two different abbreviations C and A can be referenced by passing CA. What is it that should really happen there? CA is both a combination between the C and the non-existing, a short form, as well as an abbreviation. Which should the parser prefer? Therefore, this question had to be resolved explicitly when the library was designed. For predictability, you just cannot have both. That being said, maybe you can tweak the result by passing conflict_handler equals resolve. This URL